Hey. You eat a highlighter. It's probably bad parenting, but you like it, so there you go. Careful. I don't like that. Show some of your new tricks so Grammy and Popo can see, and everybody else. Come on. Can you show a new trick, please? Okay, well this is not very fun. Here, what if I take highlighter away? Will you show a new trick? Here, I'll put it right here. Can you come get it? Can you come get it? Well, that's not exactly crawling, but that's doing what you need to do to get what you want. Here, what if we put it over here? Can you come get it now? Look, do you want this? Come get it. Mommy's mean, huh? Alright. Gross. Alright.